So what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So guys, let's get started with today's video. So guys, today I'll be going to give you the review of the all new iPhone SE2. The Apple iPhone SE2 is finally here, and today I will be going to give you a small review of it, full specifications. Let's get started with today's video. Make sure to hit that like button. And today, talking about the giveaway, I am giving away this iPhone XR, guys. If you want to participate in the giveaway of this iPhone XR, you can the steps are so easy. Just like, subscribe, share, subscribe, click the bell icon and comment done, and also share the video. These are the 4 easy steps, and if you don't know the steps, you can also check out description. So guys, let's get started with the video of the iPhone SE. I will also tell the price, full specifications. Let's go. First, take a look on the Apple video. So guys, it is available in 3 colors. I think the product red, white and the black. You can see the red one. It looks amazing. You can also check out this video. The link is in the description below. Best for gaming, guys. I'll tell the price in the video only. Price in worldwide and also price in India. You can see, guys, 4K video recording, and it's just amazing, guys. Also water resistant, guys. Long battery life, just like the iPhone XR. iPhone XR is this is for the giveaway, guys. You can enter. Best privacy as the iPhone has. Less to spread, and you can see less to speed. iPhone SE. So guys, this was the video, and now talking about the specifications, let me tell you the price first. The pricing is $400, $399. That is 30,000 Indian INR. Oh, sorry, the Indian rupees. So guys, as you can see, iPhone SE, a powerful new smartphone in popular design. So guys, it does have a single camera, that's the bad point, and it has a full HD display, guys, Retina, and it also has the home button, the OG original home button. Remember your childhood, guys. The last phone was the iPhone 8 Plus that came with the home button, and you can read if you want to this thing. This is the Apple blog only. The iPhone SE comes in 3 beautiful colors, guys, the black, white and the product red, and it starts from $399, and it will be available for pre-order on Friday, April 17. Guys, I'll tell you in short, so you don't need to read these things. I will tell you the most important things. The popular design with 4.7-inch display, that is so small, but okay. It is the iPhone SE2. So I also have the iPhone SE, guys. That was also good. So guys, the best color I like is the black one. 3 colors available: black, red and the the white. And guys, it has the haptic touch, and it does not have a 3D touch. Just like the iPhone XR, it has the haptic touch. It is just like the 3D touch, but not that much feel, you know. The home button is great, I like that. And A13 Bionic chip, that is the latest one. The iPhone XR has an A12 Bionic chip. So guys, you can see A13 Bionic is the fastest chip, let me tell you, and it is best for gaming, guys. If you want to play games, it is best. New camera, guys. And guys, talking about the camera, it has the iPhone SE2 has the on the rear it has a 12 megapixel camera. In front it has the 1.8 megapixel camera, and it is kind of bad. So guys, this was the camera, 12 megapixel rear and front, 1.8 megapixel. So guys, these were the over specifications. I gave you the over specifications, and from my point of view, this phone is best for the pricing in 30,000. You should not go for an Android. If you want a big phone, then you must go for the Android. But if you want an Apple iPhone for best privacy, I will recommend you to buy the iPhone SE2. So if you can raise your budget, you should go for the iPhone XR. Or if you have no budget and watching just like that, you can enter my iPhone XR giveaway. I am doing this a giveaway of the iPhone XR. The steps are so easy. Like, subscribe, click the bell icon and comment done. So guys, these were some specifications of the iPhone SE2. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Bye. Like, share, subscribe. I hope you liked my today's video. Make sure to enter the giveaway if you want to win this iPhone XR. Bye.